This lecture is based on dipole-induced dipole, as we have done dipole-dipole, ion dipole, and this lecture is based on dipole-induced dipole. If we talk about the meaning of dipole-induced dipole, so here the word dipole is break down in two words. Di, that means two, and pole, that means the positive and negative side of the molecule. Just suppose that we have NaCl, the salt. If we're gonna tell you that what is the poles of the NaCl, so after breaking down NaCl into ions, so we're gonna have Na positive and Cl negative. Now these positive and negative terminals are known as the dipole. After that, induced dipole. Now here is a new word, induced. So basically the meaning of the induce is to call forth or bring about the influence or stimulation. Induce basically means to induce something. That means that we have to make a bigger molecule in terms of the chemistry. You're going to understand the meaning of the induce in the upcoming diagrams. For this attraction to be done, we need one polar and second non-polar molecule. When these polar and non-polar molecules will come to each other or will be attracted, so there will be an induction. Now this molecule is called induced molecule. It is induced. Why? Because of the repulsion. It can also be done because of the attraction. As here you can see the positive charge are attracted towards the negative charge. That is because of the attraction. And if we talk about the first figure, as I draw here, that there are negatively charged, so the induction done because of the repulsion. Now this kind of forces are known as induced forces. If you have a look on these molecules, you will see that these kind of molecules cannot exist for many time or for long time. So these type of molecules are weak. If we talk about the definition, so a dipole-induced dipole attraction is a weak attraction, as I told you, that results when a polar molecule is induced a dipole in an atom or in a non-polar molecule by disturbing the arrangement of electrons in the non-polar species. As I have shown you in the figure that how the non-polar are attracted towards the polar, and because of repulsion the polar one is induced. And that's all about dipole-induced dipole. Thank you for watching.